Guys, hopefully this camera will behave. The camera stand will behave, guys. I want to drive from Rosebank to home. It's tough. I was rushing because of I didn't know how long will I get the free parking. Let me switch off the music. So the gentleman told me that it's a 15 minutes free parking. I always come to the mall and walk around here, end up paying $10. It's tough. But it's for Daisy. I was tandwa sami. I don't have money. All I have is only $40. I just bought 2 loaves of bread and sizobana phambili. Let me go. Let me drive nicely so that I won't have a problem. Let me drive nicely so that I won't have a problem with my stand. Bulise brother here. Edmelampa? Maranak. Kelabo Maranaga. That's right, pa. Ibarixele for Daisy. Austan Sami. Auxele for Daisy. Austan. The biker man. I come in and Now pedestrian, let me be gentle. That's where my camera stand misbehaved last time. Okay. Auxiliary for Daisy. My pedestrian, let me behave. That's where my camera stand showed me flames. I'm turning to the left hand side. I can see the back man with my mirror. So guys, that's the art of driving. You don't have to rush anywhere. Let me balance this nicely. See, it's the green arrow for us. Nicely switching my lanes. Let's go, Papa. Let's go, Papa. You can't trust these guys. Can't trust these guys. Can't trust these shamuas. Let's go, man. So this is for my sister who said she just got a driver's license, but she's afraid of driving. Let me switch lane because it's clear on my side. He's also switching a lane without indicating. Be careful of those guys also. They can easily jump to the road. Niggas want that rough money. They want that money. Should I even drive all the way to Sandton? Yeah, I should do that. I should do that. Cooper S, be careful of the guy. The guy can just easily squeeze in. Okay, he's turning to the other side. We are going, my guy. We are going. What do you mean? We are going. It's caution. We're going. It was safer to do so, by the way, everybody. So my sister, you just take your time. I'm driving 50 kilometers per hour as we speak. I'm not in a hurry. See, the other vehicle shows that it's turning to the left hand side. Which lane should we use? The middle one, so that we won't mix up with those guys who will turn there at Collet Drive, because Collet is busy as usual. No, we're going to Sandton. We're going to that side of Sandton. We're absolutely doing nothing that side, but we just drive into that Sandton, that side of Sandton. So we just pass home now. Let's go to that side of Sandton, the richest milestone in Africa. Should I switch lanes? There is a biker boy there. He's in a hurry. I don't want to cause drama. Now we're slowing down. You see the thing that I wanted to do last time? I can easily do the U-turn there rather than the route that I took there. Let me stop.